fucking covered in moon pie. Moon pies and motorcycles.
That's awesome.
Shit's been choking me for the last like 20 miles.
That's fine, we were gonna stop anyway. You look like Batman though. You look really cool, like Christian Bale Batman. You got it?
Yeah, I was gonna replace it. So much for the fucking rain. Yeah, I guess we're going through it. Well, I'll just stop it here. Do you wanna move somewhere else?
Look at this burger place over there. Jesus. I wish I'd have gotten that thing about the t-shirts on camera.
Oh, you'll get plenty of the t-shirts.
That'll be our first product reveal.
She said she made like 10 of them.
What?
Why?
All right, they're coming with us to the swap meet then.
Yeah.
Well, because Tabitha has been like doing like the 3D printing and like the
cricket.
The cricket, I think that's what it is. Yeah.
Oh, okay. It ain't bad.
It's great. It's got some some leaks.
Couple few. Now I've acquired all 5 Infinity Sportsters. There's still plenty of room in here. I don't know what they're talking about.
Yo, who got the black Gringo? That thing's sick.
That's Erin's. That was her birthday present.
Nice.
Yep.
Once I get my own action camera. You need help with that?
I got one of those insurance.
Cancellation things.
Yeah, like suspension of your registration. If you don't get insurance. I don't think I need to insure a fucking pile of parts. Is this mine?
That one's mine.
Oh.
Yours is on the seat of the
Oh.
Kawasaki.
Still not much more.
Stole your PBR, dude. Rough. It's a hard life.
I only buy 2 at a time. Buy the 2 bags. Keeps me honest. No moderation.
Yeah, but if you buy 7 2-packs at a time, got a lot of bikes, dude.
Yeah. Some would say too many. I don't know what that means.
Custom, dude.
Yeah, custom. This chopper shit. Doing shit backwards and in a nonsensical way.
That's my whole life.
Yep. So I took long deck screws and I put them like lengthwise into.
Gotcha. I think you should not buy any more.
I think I will not buy any more.
Well, see, you're selling this one, you already have a buyer. You just bought this one to build, to sell, right? You're going to sell yours when you finish this one.
That's right.
That's fine.
Perfect. See that? He's an idea man. He finds solutions.
Call it a yes, man.
Yes, buy more motorcycles.
Yes, buy more motorcycles.
See, I can't even say it. It's like something that cursed me.
More
motorcycles.
Buy more motorcycles.
Look at that, dude. Look at this old 90s speedometer.
Trash.
That's cool. I'll put the tachometer in my truck. I don't think it'll work on a V8. Alright, that's where we'll say goodbye. New bikes in the shop. Everybody's tucked in. Did I make it a street tail?
It's a street bob.
It's a Harley street tail.
Harley street glide. Wait.
It's a Harley Billy Bob. It's a Harley Bob.
Harley bob.
Yeah, I got a Harley Bob in the garage.
Harley bob forward.